Now that we've learned long division, we are going to start learning short division, which in some cases can be a whole lot easier to use. So the problem we're working with is 726 divided by 6. We're going to set this up the same way that we set up a long division problem. Okay, just like this. So we're going to put our divisor, 6, right down here, and we're going to put our dividend, 726, on the inside, just like in long division. Now our first step is going to be to look at our divisor here, number 6, and we're going to ask ourselves, how many times does 6 go into 7? We know that 6 can go into 7. Oopsie, let me switch my color here. We know that 6 can go into 7 one time with 1 left over. Okay? So since we have a remainder here, since we know 6 can go into 7 one time with 1 left over, we're going to put our remainder actually right here. Okay? So the first number we were working with was the number 7. Now, the second number we're going to be working with is going to be 12. Okay? So that 1 that was our remainder from this first part is going to be our tens place in our number 12 here. So we've got 1, 2, the number 12. That's the second number we're working with. So now we're going to look at 6 again, our divisor, and we're going to ask ourselves, how many times does 6 go into 12? Well, we know that 6 times 2 equals 12. So 6 goes into 12 2 times. We don't have a remainder for that one, so we don't have to put anything over here with our last number, which is quite convenient. So now we're going to look back at our divisor again, 6, and we're going to say how many times does 6 go into our last number, 6. We know that 6 goes into 6 one time, with none left over. So for this problem, we do not have a remainder. So we can either leave it like this, or we can write remainder 0 if we want. But we now have our answer for 726 divided by 6. It is 121 with a remainder of 0. We can even clean that up and write it all in the same color here down on the bottom, since we have so much room because we didn't use it doing our long division. Our answer is 121.